Is he back? He's back. Okay,
Let's
we're
go.
rolling with this.
We're actually killing the boss now.
I have the Doom Peasant hat too.
Alright, pulling in 3, 2, 1.
Just means we get raid buffs back.
If that's what that means.
I have guard up, by the way.
Put it out now.
Make sure you have guard.
Yeah, I've been guarding the whole thing.
So have I.
Healers and bottom DPS eggs.
I'm using that one.
Okay.
Don't have it on for a sec. Let's see what Recklessness does for me. Nothing. Okay.
Power shot. You ready to get out? Yeah.
Fuck out of here.
Div.
Wahoo!
Where's the bird? There it is. Come here, motherfucker.
Somebody's got it. Pull him, Veer. Okay, you're desyncing. Sorry. I didn't mean to get upset. No way.
Missed the gun.
Just keep hitting him.
What the fuck?
Fine, it's fine, it's fine. He's gonna charge through, it's fine. I'm gonna just AoE here.
Yeah, do it.
Grab
Do
that.
it. Yep.
Kill the bull. Hit the bird. Hit the bird now. Let him dive, boo.
Alright, somebody pull me.
Stop. Jesus Christ.
Dude, that extra DPS.
Get out. Sim shield here.
Yeah.
And
You can wait. You
range go
oh,
him.
okay.
Just range go him.
Did we rebound her?
Yeah, I already did.
Okay.
Didn't yet, no. Oh, actually,
Dude, I'm
I
getting
can't
railed.
roll this
Oh,
guy.
shit.
See, he'll check. You can also AoE here, Tran, if you have it.
Nah. Okay, yeah, well. Maybe.
No.
Alright,
I've
get
been
ready. He's probably gonna
single,
phase
no.
here.
You're taking
Alright, let's go.
Yep, yeah, I have.
power shot.
Nades to Apex. Nades to Apex.
Okay, eggs are out, or I can get
Got
ours.
him aiming it to exit.
I'll stand on ours, Biggs.
Okay.
No, I can't. I already have one. I'm sorry.
That's fine. That's fine.
Good. Just be
That's
careful, Biggs.
no, not great.
We'll make it work. It's got a bust.
I'm gonna rebound us here.
Yep,
Yep, bounder.
rebounders. I
Next
got
egg.
my egg. I got ours. Oh no, he teleported and
Res him.
assassinated someone.
Could've been 2 seconds. I was just making sure I got.
Make sure you know
Teleported.
which ones you're getting. First primal, I'm going out. Stay in light, stay in light.
Dude, I'm fucking getting digged. 10 shots towards Apex. Get that out.
Yeah.
Ow.
Nice.
Okay.
Alright, boss. 42, get ready to start slowing up. Don't like completely slow up, but get ready. Eggs are gonna break
Remember which
soon.
eggs you're getting.
Yeah, remember which
I
eggs.
have
Yeah, I got the right one. I'm.
Okay, slow,
I'm
slow,
pawning
slow,
it,
slow,
right?
stop
Slow,
DPS,
slow.
stop DPS. Stop
Eggs popping, eggs popping.
Stop DPS.
Yeah, stay in
Yeah,
light.
don't
Stay in
push him.
light.
Don't push him. Don't push him.
Mine's in.
Yeah, I need to get closer. Okay.
I think mine's in. Mine's not in, mine's not in.
Mine's in.
Grenade if you can. Biggs
Nice
is yours.
spike.
Mine's in.
Oh,
yeah.
there's one out. There's one out right now.
Okay.
It needs to be
One out.
knocked in.
I spike it. Somebody knock it.
I
I
haven't.
don't have knock yet.
I don't
I
have
got it.
stun, I don't have stun.
I got it.
Nice.
I don't have a stun though.
Okay, do we need to push him?
Yeah, push him. The bird was got. Push him. Get in the light. Get in the light. Push him.
I'm fine, Just live. Push him. 2%. Good shield, pop everything. Just fucking live. Literally just live.
Power shot. Just okay. He pushed. Stay in the light. Stay in the light. Stay in the light.
No!
Just fucking live. Just live.
What is happening?
Literally
power
just
Push, push.
live. Just live.
Okay, it's pushed. It's pushed.
Just wait. Do we need to stay in the light?
Yep, stay in the light. Stay in the light.
He's gonna do ultimate hunter. Shelly's gonna come out. Please. Come up. No, we missed the bird.
She's at 99.
Just kill it. Just hit boss. Just hit Shelly. Hit Shelly.
No.
You have 70k. You have 70k. It's
That's not the
fine.
problem. Huntmaster won't die.
Just see what happens.
I'm gonna die, Barras.
Let's fucking go! Woo! Alright, I guess we win! Achievement unlocked! Intended solution! Any doubters, Tranuis? Any doubters? Woo!
That was crazy.
And picking here! Woo!
I think that was just delayed because he pushes at 10 million and you guys got him to like 10
What
million.
happened? How did he
We
not
didn't
die?
get
That's so
enough,
buggy.
ads.
Hell, no, we did.
We
got
did,
five.
though.
No, you got all of them in. I think
No,
it
I
was
don't
just
mean the
we
birds.
got
I meant
five.
the other ads. Fuck.
No.
But we got
I don't-
five.
I don't even know how it works. Fucking, I don't know.
I don't even know what happened, bro. But we
Oh
got
my
5 in because we got the
gosh.
achievement.
We just went from not even being close to that phase to just killing it.
Oh my god.
Cal landed his grenade, that's why we killed.
Oh my god.
Sam.
Oh my
Oh my god.